Okay, what I want to show you today are some really nice new features on the FG 2.1 and some of the new kits. So live page, as you can see, and we've got upload download from the SD card. Really nice, and the SQL and the graphics and all that kind of stuff. But I want to concentrate today on adding a temperature sensor. So let's just go into the controller and let's just go to our kits. And the first thing we want to do is keep that stone socks at 1.045. Don't go to 1048. Okay, everything else looks fine. Let's just add in the easyiosensor kit. We've already got pstore and histories in there, so that's going to help us to create a log of this Honeywell 20K sensor and then push it up to the supervisor using the TCOM driver. Now, with any EasyIO products, we always run multi-protocol options. So the fact you're using TCOM doesn't mean to say you can't use BACnet or you can't use Modbus. You can, and all those protocols can coexist. BACnet for the FG won't be available till December, but all our other controllers have BACnet already in there. The reason it's taking a little longer is we're doing the client and the server. Okay, let's put the pstore service into our services. So that's going to be well suited later for when we start adding logs. So we just like this, you'd put an interval in, call that XYZ. Okay, look at the layout, make sure that's all allocated, clear it. And now let's go and add our sensor. So first thing we do is add a UI. There's a UI. In channel 1 I already have a resistance, which is a 20K sensor. You'll see now we get a raw value coming in, and we have another thing here called easyiosensor where you can bring in some preset tables, and let's just call these Honeywell 3. Okay, and all I do is click on here. That's the sensor I want Fahrenheit. Save. You can see this is the choice of sensors. We'll leave that with Honeywell, and all we would do is link the out to the in. And there we've got a very nice temperature reading. Link mark, back to the services, back to the pstore, and do a link from to control variable. Done. Okay, and you've got a tabular form. First reading should be in soon. That's not the reading. Okay, now let's go up to our station that I have running, and I've installed a TCOM network. All you do is do new, grab your TCOM network from down here. There it is. TCOM is a really efficient driver for handling EasyIOs. We prefer it to the Sedona network, developed by MaxLine Solutions. It's not an EasyIO product. Bring this into here, call this MM, and then go and discover my histories. And there's XYZ, bring that in. Just say I want that to be on an interval, press OK, archive it, so we create the log in device MM, I think I called it. So there you go, we've got TCOM device MM and we've got XYZ, and there we go. And if I was to do the constant monitoring, this will just continue to log now into Niagara, and the EasyIO will just continue to write over the old values. So I think you'd agree that's a pretty cool set of features.